Hello everyone, Crypto Kernel here. So let's dive into XRP. From in the immediate short term, from beginning of January, we have seen this 5-wave advance to the upside, okay? And now for about a month or so, we're having this big correction. So in Elliott wave theory, it will be A, B, C correction. It's a usual correction to have after 5-wave impulse to the upside. So the XRP had currently retraced to about 0.5 fib, and usually wave 2, so this is wave 2, this is wave 1, this is wave 2. Wave 2s go to about 0.382, but it also happened that they go to 0.5. So we might have finished here and we are going to the upside right now, but it is still possible that we will go one leg lower. Okay, another interesting idea here, if you can see, this is actually a bull flag. In classical technical analysis, this is called a falling wedge pattern, okay? If I look at MACD, currently on the 4-hourly it's turning bullish. Okay, in daily, this is more interesting. If you can see, we're actually also turning bullish. So it is just starting, I guess a big advance in my, I think so. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the macro bit. I was looking at this pattern and I thought to myself, well, this doesn't look like anything in Elliott wave terms. And then I thought, wait a minute, this looks like a triangle, okay? Everybody now on Twitter and in YouTube draw this big triangle. I agree with it. But this is a triangle on itself, okay? This is also a triangle. It's an Elliott wave theory triangle, A, B, C, D, E. And now we're, I guess, in the end of this. If this count is true, and I think it's true because, crypto kernel, we are going to the upside from here on. This is the technical target. Okay, I will give you. Okay, it goes to about 65. Let's say 65 cents. Okay, if I go like fib-based extension from wave 1, and let's say this was the end. If I go to 1618 again, I get into that 65 cents territory, okay? So the next leg up, I guess wave 3 is probably will be in, about 65 cents territory, and then we will have a correction. It is likely. It might be really short term because wave 3s tend to be very impulsive, and wave 4s sometimes are, very mediocre, not too corrective. Okay, so this move is going to be very swift. Okay, that's good. And another very interesting point I want to show you is, okay, so yeah, obviously on in the long term you have this great big triangle, and I have to be honest with you, soldiers. A lot of people drew this stuff for the last 2 years, and this one really looks good for me because these trend lines are really historical and they're showing a lot of data for me. So we're on the brink of some kind of decision here. And if this count is bullish, I think it is, so it will be like a Russian doll, like a chain reaction. This will break and it will, start the reaction of this whole of this, like pressured up, triangle bullishness. Okay, So let's think about, had this ever happened before? Yes, it did. Okay, yes, it did. It happened in from 2014 to 2017. You can say XRP's last cycle. We had really similar thing here. Okay, you know, you can see the resemblance. It was basically also big triangle, which eventually popped. And I think it is highly probable that it will pop again. Okay, so let's look at some targets. Okay, if I go from here, okay, let's first look at what happened here. If I go from the high to the bottom of this move, of this like range, we'll see that the first high was about 1414. Okay, so let's see what 1414 gives us here. It gives us $4.04. And keep in mind, XRP never has this, long kind of, moves to the upside. It like not like this. XRP is like this and then it pops. Okay, so yeah, I expect a very swift move here. I expect a really smooth, swift move here. Okay, so last time, basically, right? Last time it popped to 1414. Here 1414 gives us $4.40. If I draw a technical target from this triangle, and okay, I guess it pops here, also get $4.40. So it is a reasonable thing to expect. Okay, and that's it. That's my analysis. And don't forget to like and subscribe, soldiers. We're here for the win.